This is the Lorex 4K system as you probably know it, the system that promises pro-level coverage without monthly cloud fees. But after setting it up in a real home for several weeks, I uncovered some things the ads definitely glossed over. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know whether this is a smart buy or just expensive insurance. Lorex 4K Fusion Product Overview. Okay, so first things first. What is this thing? The Lorex 4K Fusion is a hybrid wired plus Wi-Fi NVR, or Network Video Recorder, security camera system from Lorex. Owned by Dahua, introduced in its current form around 2023-2024. It's designed for folks who want serious home surveillance but don't want to be locked into cloud subscriptions. The killer pitch: you can mix wired PoE or power over Ethernet cameras and add up to 8 wireless cameras to the same system. So, whether you want to run cables in the basement or just place a Wi-Fi camera on the fence, it works together. Lorex ships it with an NVR preloaded with local storage, no monthly fees required. Lorex 4K Fusion Performance. So, how did it behave in real life? Let me walk through scenarios. Live monitoring and latency. Switching between camera views in the Lorex app or the NVR was mostly snappy. Occasional buffering happens if your Wi-Fi is weak on the wireless cams, but wired ones were near instant. Motion events and alerts. It uses Smart Motion Detection Plus. You can set it to detect person, vehicle, or face events. That helped cut down on false alerts. No random squirrels triggering everything. That said, occasionally small shadows or sharp glare still got noticed. The system is good, but not perfect. Recording and playback. Because it records continuously, not just on motion, you don't risk missing an event. Flipping through hours of footage is mostly smooth. The timeline scrubbing feels decent for a security system, not buttery like a gaming rig, but serviceable. Features and tech. Let's dig into the standout bits, the ones that really differentiate this from just another security kit. 1. Hybrid wired plus Wi-Fi fusion. This is kind of the headliner feature. Up to 8 wired and 8 Wi-Fi cams can coexist on the same NVR. That flexibility gives you expansion room without changing ecosystems. Why care? Because many systems force you to pick, either wired or wireless. Here, you mix both where it makes sense. 2. Smart deterrence or proactive defense. Each camera can light up a motion-activated LED warning, and you can trigger a siren remotely. That, "Hey, I see you, back off" approach is more proactive than just record and alert later. In practice, it's satisfying to see the LED go on when someone approaches. It adds a psychological barrier. 3. Color night vision plus IR fallback. Under ambient lighting, the cams deliver full-color video even at night. When it's pitch dark, they revert to IR for clarity. Why it matters? With color night vision, you'll more easily pick out clothing, car colors, or other visual cues. Stuff black and white IR might miss. Design and build. Holding and mounting these cameras gives a serious gear impression. You're not getting toy-level plastic. The build is rugged, and the housings feel riced for reliability more than stealth. The cameras are rated IP67, so they can handle rain, snow, and high humidity without flinching. Yes, they're somewhat bulky. They won't disappear behind a gutter easily, but they look purposeful, and that's okay for most outdoor use cases. The NVR box itself is compact, think small DVR size, and quiet. The physical UI is minimal, mostly ports and LEDs. The real control is via the app or local interface. One caveat: getting the physical wiring done, if you're routing Ethernet or power cables, is where most users will sweat. Pros: hybrid wired plus Wi-Fi camera support, ultimate flexibility. Smart deterrence, LED plus siren, that adds real value. Very good color night vision plus fallback IR. Local recording with no mandatory cloud subscription. Robust build and weather resistance. Cons: wireless cams depend heavily on good Wi-Fi signal. Setup and wiring can be a pain for non-DIYers. Some users report weak customer service and firmware hiccups.
Local storage fills up. Long-term archiving requires extra work. Final verdict. So, is the Lorex 4K Fusion worth your money? In short, yes, if you're serious about home security and comfortable doing some DIY work. The system leans heavy in your favor if you want high-quality visuals, local control, and no monthly fees sucking away your wallet. If you're someone who wants set it and forget it, minimal setup, just mount these cameras and go, there are easier options, wired only or purely cloud-based systems. But you'll trade off flexibility or control.